Hello, my name is Jesus Rodriguez, and this is the project I wanted to ship to the build with Opus 4.7 Hackathon. It's called AI to Widget, an open-source toolkit that turns any existing web application into one with its own conversational agent, grounded in the application's real data, able to take real actions on the user's behalf with the user's own permissions. No production credentials ever leave the host site. A few /commands inside Claude code, and your web app has an agent that actually understands its business. Today the options are bad. Generic chatbots that don't know your data, or weeks of bespoke integration. AI to Widget was the third path. I had 5 days, $500 in API credits, and I picked Opus 4.7 to push this model's limits. I worked Constitution first, spec kit, 9 features. By Wednesday night, the end-to-end demo was running. I went to bed thinking I would ship. Then every paid iteration started breaking more than it fixed. Feature 7 was declared finished 4 times in a row. 14,000 lines of churn between the declarations, exclamation marks intensifying as the previous claims kept failing. A red line constitutional principle was crossed in silence. With 2 database dumps available, the agent picked the sensitive full backup without asking which one to use. Saturday night, after 14 hours of debugging that kept revealing deeper layers, I discovered the build pipeline had been failing silently for 17 hours. I had been testing against a stale container from a completely different project. I went to bed thinking I was out of the hackathon. Sunday morning, something clicked. The credits were gone. The code was broken, but the data wasn't. Every commit was evidence. Every conversation was preserved verbatim. Every misstep had a timestamp, a hash, a file. And, honestly, not all of them were the models. Some were mine, so I rebuilt the deliverable, not the product. A structured evidence postmortem of how an agentic, multi-day, spec-driven workflow degraded with Opus 4.7 in this specific run. 20 incidents, 8 failure categories, honest attribution on everyone, model error, cascading, ambiguous spec, user error, or mixed. 7 recommendations for Anthropic, at the model layer, the tooling layer, and the workflow guidance layer. Each one linked back to the incidents that earned it. This is what the hackathon asked for. Push the model's limits, find them, report them, not as a complaint, as data. The credits are gone. The lessons stay.
The credits are gone, the lessons are not. Every build that broke, everything